Yeah, so it's been an interesting journey. I think the future holds, looks optimistic. I think we've started on a good path. We've already got some customers utilize the product. They're feeding in already, providing some really good feedback. And I think having industry experts along with us in this partnership gives it that authenticity that, you know, we're not just a bunch of tech guys thinking that we've got a solution here that's going to work for the industry. It's actually been proven, and we've actually got industry partners here that are backing that solution as well. So when we're having those conversations are had with that level of authenticity.
Yeah, it could never happen in any other way. We had this sort of subject matter expertise on how to get this stuff done, and you guys made it into a reality. You know, you make it so that it's safe, it's secure, it's on the cloud, you know, it's fast, it does what it needs to do, but it also does the right thing. You know. So,
yeah, performance user experience is obviously what they expect from software applications today, but
yeah,
we've done our bit and you've done yours. So
good.
It's been a great partnership.
Man, it was a good chat, and yeah, looking forward to seeing the Centerpoint, you know, with many more sort of installations and deployments, and helping the industry become more efficient, you know, become less wasteful, and just getting stuff where it needs to be, when it needs to be there.
For sure.
Cool.
Thanks so much for
Thanks for your time.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.